Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Parpan. It was a very long weekend and I missed all of you. Hi Wyatt, I see you out there. And Max, hi. Sabine, hello. Gio and Teo and Mikhailo, hi. Amanda, hi honey. Giselle, Nicola, hi Becca. Lucci, how are you? Mia, Tyler, hey buddy. Hi Shane, Naomi, hi. And Bryson, and Jade. I miss all of you so much. Well, today I thought we would do a science experiment. Who likes science? I thought we would talk about pine cones. I got these pine cones on my walk the other day, and I want to know if you know what the difference is between these two. They're from the same exact evergreen tree. Evergreens are the ones with the long green needles. And one of them is very skinny, and one of them is fairly fat. The skinny one is very heavy, and it's very closed together and smooth. All these scales are really tight. But this one, it's very lightweight, and the scales are all opened up so that you can actually see down into there. Inside those scales is a little seed of each one of these scales. They're actually called pine nuts. On certain pine cones, they're very tasty to eat. And the way you harvest that seed is you like bang it against a rock or something, and the scales open up and the seed or the pine nut falls out. Anyway, the difference between these two pine cones is one's closed, like I said, and one's opened up. But I'm going to show you how to open up this closed pine cone. We're going to simulate the sun and the heat and the dry air with a microwave. So in nature, these open up by themselves, but we're going to force it open. So if I put this in the microwave for about a minute, it's going to open up. Let's try it. I'm going to put it in the microwave and we can count while it's working. So it's in there for a minute, but I think it might need a minute and 30 seconds. So while it is in the microwave, we can count. Let's see if we can all count to 30. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now I'll go check. It's got about 20 seconds left. It needs a little more time. So, who thinks they can count backwards from 10 to 0? Let's try it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold on. That one was super waterlogged because I had dunked it in a glass of water for a prior experiment. So while that is heating up, I'm going to show you what we're going to do after that. I have a bar of Ivory soap. Has anyone ever used Ivory soap? Okay, well, aside from washing with it, you can do a science experiment with it. Peel it off, the wrapper off, and here is my bar of Ivory soap. I'm going to cut it in half, and so now I have 2 halves of my Ivory soap. Let me check on our pine cone. Ten more seconds. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here is our pine cone, all opened up. He did it. So this is what it looked like before, closed, and this is what it looks like now. We've simulated the sun and heat and dry air to open up, force a pine cone to open up. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so now we have it opened up. We forced that. How could we force it to close again? How could we force the pine cone to look like this, that skinny one, all tight? Do you know how? We simply put it in a glass of water. And in a couple hours, it will all be closed really tight again. So you can try that at home with a parent, not alone, with a parent, always with a parent. Okay, so now we're back to our ivory soap bar. I cut it in half, and I'm gonna put 1/2 in the microwave for, well, I'm gonna put it in for like a minute, but maybe after 30 seconds it'll be ready. But let's guess what we think will happen with the ivory soap. You think bubbles will come out of it? Because soap is bubbly. Or do you think it will turn to a liquid? Right now it's in the form of a solid. It's a solid piece. But it could get liquidy, like watery. Or maybe, does someone think it might get slimy? We'll see, okay? Let's put it in. Okay, it's in for a minute. While it's cooking, I can say, let's do our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right, let me go check. Oh my goodness! Look what happened, boys and girls. Look at that. It's like white lava all over the place. This is what happened to our little tiny bar of soap. Look at that. Can you tell? It's like super lightweight. It's fluffy. It smells really good. Look, it's like foam, like shaving cream kind of. You can hold it. It's not very hot. And you can squeeze it. Okay, that's our ivory soap. Now I have one more science experiment. Now this one, I think of it every Easter because at Easter time, you know those little marshmallow bunnies? They're called Peeps. Well, we did this experiment with Peeps. And you know, they're like little bunnies about this big, but when you put them in the microwave, something happens. I'm gonna let you guess. I have these leftover old organic organic marshmallows. I don't know if they're gonna work because they're like a year old, but you'll get the idea. So here's the size of them. They're pretty little. I'm gonna put one in the microwave and we will see what happens. Take some guesses, see what you think might happen. Again, I'm gonna put it in for a minute. Okay, so who thinks they know what's going to happen to the marshmallow? All right, I'm going to give it 20 seconds. I can see it. I can see it through the microwave. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're ready. This is what happened. smells super good, but it exploded in the microwave and it got a lot bigger than the actual marshmallow. Can you tell? It works way better if you have fresh marshmallows and normal marshmallows, not organic ones, but it works the best with Peeps. It's super fun. So try that one with a parent if you'd like to. Now, my science experiments are over, and I just wanted you to know that if you're bored, you can do these things with your parents too. So don't just sit around moping. Have some fun. Okay, bye now.